A marine invertebrate with an internal skeleton and a water vascular system, like a starfish. Echinoderm. An echinoderm is a sea creature with a spiny skin and a system that uses water to help it move and feed. Imagine trying to organize a messy room where everything seems scattered but is actually connected to a central purpose. This is similar to how an echinoderm, like a starfish, is structured with its seemingly chaotic array of limbs that are all connected to a central system. Just like organizing a room involves arranging scattered items around a central theme or function, a starfish's arms are organized around a central disc, all controlled and powered by its internal skeleton and water vascular system, which work together to maintain its balance and movement, much like a well-organized room facilitates easy navigation and use.